Sussman here, and welcome to yet another full flight video. Today we are not traveling to Los Angeles or Palm Beach. We're headed to Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, and there has been a time where I did a full flight video to Phoenix on a 9:74 a.m. and back from Phoenix on a US Airways A321. I think they're from 2015, so you might have to scroll a little bit to find those. Anyhow, we have an 8:45 a.m. flight. It is approximately 6:15 right now, so just got up, just got ready. But with that being said, let's check out our flight information. Okay, so today we are on American Airlines flight 1057, departing Chicago O'Hare 8:45 a.m., Terminal 3, Gate H15, and arriving in the Phoenix Sky Harbor 10:19 a.m., which is really going to be 12:19 a.m. here, Terminal 4, Gate B11. Our aircraft just flew the red-eye from San Jose to Chicago. It is a Boeing 737, unfortunately an 835 NN, so that's one of the older ones. So with that being said, let's head to Chicago O'Hare.
What's up, guys? So believe it or not, this video is actually almost a year old. Can you believe it? I don't know why I never uploaded it in the first place, but I figured this would be a good video to test out using a voiceover feature on my editor. For those of you that have watched my previous flight report videos, you know that I use subtitles, and so I figured I'd try something new today. While this style video will actually take me a little longer to edit, I've always preferred watching voiceover style presentations. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Anyways, check this out. Here's our plane, November 8:35, November. I'm now boarding through gate H15 at O'Hare, which is one of the longer jet bridges, I would say. Our plane was delivered in April of 2010, so it's just over 7 years old at the time of this video. On this flight, I managed to get seat 13F, which is the farthest forward main cabin seat that you can get without paying an additional fee for main cabin extra.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It looks like this bird has yet to receive the new gray leather seat covers. I'm pretty sure that all the older 737s have them now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 1057 to Phoenix. Your flight crew for this flight is Captain Pete Monaco, First Officer Joe Canizo. The informing flying time from Chicago to Phoenix will be 3 hours 12 minutes at an altitude of 32,000 feet. Phoenix weather condition partly cloudy, temperature 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 28 degrees Celsius. Now please watch the TV monitor throughout the cabin for our safety demonstration for our 737 aircraft. Before that, everybody needs to turn off your laptop and put away, and all your cell phone needs to go on airplane mode. Thank you.
Hello everyone. We know you have lots of choices, so thanks for choosing American. We're happy to be your airline. Now, if you'll just follow along with me, we'll be on our way. In a water evacuation, life rafts are in marked ceiling compartments. You'll find the exact location on your safety card. Life vests are located either under or between your seat. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. For help locating them, see your safety card. The crew will now be coming around to do a final cabin check. After takeoff, we'll be back with more information. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. As always, we're here to make your flight great. Because great is what we're going for.
And it looks like we're going to be using runway 28R for departure this morning.
all of us at American Airlines, thank you for flying with us today. We're proud to be Air Transport World's 2017 Airline of the Year. A special welcome to Advantage in One World members. If you are not an Advantage member, you can sign up at aa.com/join to earn miles for today's flight and continue to earn miles with our retail and travel partners. We also offer wireless entertainment, the library of movies and TV shows. More information is available on the Wi-Fi homepage or in the American Way magazine. Shortly, we will begin our in-flight service. We offer a selection of complimentary beverages. Wi-Fi service is available on this flight. Connect to the GoGo in-flight signal and open your browser. You can access aa.com free of charge to view flight images and other travel information. Our in-flight entertainment will begin shortly. You can listen to the audio on channels 13 or 14. Power outlets are available at every seat. The outlets are located below your seat. While you are seated, please keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to the crew when the seatbelt sign is on, as turbulence can happen unexpectedly. If you open an overhead compartment, use caution, as carry-on items may have shifted during takeoff.
Snack service came first, and I don't know why, but I decided to track myself as well. Beverage service shortly followed. Apple juice has been my plain drink for as long as I can remember. On some flights, American promotes their credit card. And hey, I would definitely apply for the card if I was old enough.
You'll earn 50,000 bonus miles after making your first purchase and paying the $95 annual fee in the first 90 days after you are approved. Once a card member, you'll enjoy preferred boarding, checking your first eligible bag for free on domestic itineraries. Visitors will be coming through the aisle for your application to learn more about this exclusive in-flight offer.
Just prior to descent, it got a little choppy and the captain turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. The monitors dropped down, reminding passengers to fasten their seatbelts.
The seatbelt sign is on. Please be seated and fasten your seatbelt.
Please bring your seat back upright, restore your turtle, and all carrying item under the seat in front of your overhead compartment. Flight attendant will be in the cabin for final safety check. If you have any service item, please return to the flight attendant this time. All laptop needs to be turned off and put away. Thank you.
Today we'll be landing in Phoenix on runway 8 towards the east, which will have us make a few turns in order to line up with that runway.
welcome to Phoenix. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until Captain turn off the seatbelt sign. This is for your own safety, as well as for those around you, and please keep that clear. Extra care should be taken when opening your overhead bins since avionic may have shifted during flight. On behalf of Chicago Flight Crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us this morning. We hope you have a pleasant stay here, or wherever your final destination may take you. We know you have a choice for your travel. Thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those passengers seated in a window side, please put the window shade down once you finish looking outside. Thank you.
They asked us to put the window shades down because it was nearly 95 degrees Fahrenheit by the time we landed. Obviously, putting the window shades down helps keep the airplane cool for the next passengers, and this particular plane was headed to New York's JFK just an hour later. Anyways, guys, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for watching this flight report video. I really hope you enjoyed coming along to Phoenix today. Do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button, and also let me know down in the comments section below what you thought of this voiceover. Do you want me to continue doing voiceovers for my future flight report videos? Or do you want me to go back to subtitles? Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Sussman_aviation. If you were wondering, we are arriving today in Phoenix in Terminal 4, Gate B as in Bravo 11. Lastly, I want to thank American Airlines for another great flight.